If you want to set a custom vibration instead of the ringtone on your iPhone, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just open Settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now from here, just select an alert type or a ringtone which you want to change to a custom vibration. For an example, I will select ringtone. In ringtone, just tap on Haptics. Now at the end of the page, you will find the option of Create New Vibration. Just tap on it, and from here you will be able to create a custom vibration by tapping on the screen, just like that. If you tap on play, you will play the custom vibration which we have recorded. And if you want to record the vibration one more time, you can tap on record and you will be able to record the vibration again. Just like that. And once you're satisfied with your custom vibration, just tap on save. Now just give a name to your custom vibration. For an example, I will name it my haptic. Then tap on save. And as you can see, this is the custom vibration which we have created. Now you can create multiple vibrations and you can save them at the same time. Now just select the custom vibration which you want to set as your ringtone. Now after you do that, you will set a custom vibration with your ringtone. Now if you want to disable the ringtone and if you want to only set a custom vibration instead of the ringtone, now there is no option to select none for your ringtone. But you can enable silent mode and it will disable the ringtone sound. And your iPhone will only play the custom vibration when you receive a phone call, or you can go back and you can disable the ringtone and alert slider from here. And by doing that, you will disable the ringtone and the alert sound, and your iPhone will only play the custom vibration when you receive a phone call. But if you want to set a custom vibration for the alerts on your iPhone, like the text tone alert or the voicemail alert, you will be able to select none in the alert section, and you can select the custom haptic instead of the alert ringtone, just like that. And this is how you can set a custom vibration instead of the ringtone on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.